welcome to another episode of The Mockingbird Show. In my last, I did a series on my early years peace pedagogy called The Peaceful Humans. And in that series, I discussed the importance of inculcating peace values in children right from the start. And today, I would be talking about something completely different, yet aligned to it. In a way, because peace also means peace with nature, peace with the environment, a connection that is needed to be built right from the start. So let me take you to our upcoming event, which is the Early Childhood Development Forum Edu Tour to Bali, Indonesia, to witness the Green School, a world model school for sustainable education. Before I tell you more about this, let me tell you what is Early Childhood Development Forum. I founded this forum in 2019, and it is an initiative of the D.N. Acharya Foundation for Children and Women Welfare that was formed in 2014. Early Childhood Development Forum aims to bring the best practices of early childhood care and education from all over the world under one umbrella so that every child, irrespective of their social background, gets access to the best early childhood education. And Early Childhood Development Forum does projects with children from the marginalized sections of the society. We do our small fundraisings, we have our memberships, we have these conferences and events through which we raise the funds and support children who has the need. And that is how we are trying to bring about equality in the society in terms of giving best education to one and all. Now, Early Childhood Development Forum since last 2 years have been conducting some education tours internationally. The first one being in 2023, where our delegation went to visit schools in Thailand. So we visited the Apple Kindergarten, saw their practices, discussed. We had a mini conference. We visited some other schools as well and had our conference and awards there. And our delegate shared the best practices of their school, and we got to know the best practices that are prevalent in Thailand, in the schools of Thailand. And I have seen that we got back a lot of knowledge, a lot of takeaways were there. And in 2024, we had this very special tour in Jakarta and in Cirebon. So Cirebon is a place near Jakarta and it is reachable by train. So first we had our school visit in the Kipinas in Jakarta, and there we had a conference where we had a panel session, and in the session those early childhood experts who had come, they shared the practices of their schools, and then we observed the school, we saw what was being done with the children and what were the core values. And then we proceeded to Cirebon, and we had lovely time in Cirebon visiting 4 to 5 schools and seeing their practices as well. So this is the aim of our edu tours and conferences, which is also coupled with the awards. And this year we are coming up with a conference in Bali, and our highlight, the key highlight, is to visit the Green School in Bali, which is a world model school. And this school is known for its sustainable education, the way they are grooming their children to understand the importance of nature, to understand and love nature, to learn from nature, environment being our third teacher. So this school is something we are looking forward to visit. And then we will also be visiting some other schools like the Bali International Montessori School, the Kipina in the Bali, where we are going to have our conference. So this is an attempt to actually get together the global education fraternity to understand what is going on in different countries and how we can give the best to our children in our own countries. And this year, our delegation is from all over the globe, like the last 2 years, and we have my very close friend, Dr. Catherine Murray, joining us. And then we have a few people from the northeast of India as well who would be joining, and then some others from Delhi and Bangalore and other places. So this delegation aims to look into these best practices and bring it to the children of their own countries. And that, I think, is going to make a lot of difference, because I could see in the last 2 years the amazing development, the humongous leap in education, in the changes that we are doing. I could see some schools whose principals were delegate in these international tours with us have actually done a lot of innovation, has brought in a lot of change, and I think this is going to be really worth the while. So I wanted to share these experiences that we have as the Early Childhood Development Fraternity. We have our conferences in Delhi, in different places of India, and these conferences again get in the education experts, the school leaders, the principals, the educators together to empower them to give the best in these years of a child's life. So Early Childhood Development Forum aims to actually reach out to children from every section of the society and to give them the best and to empower them in the best possible way. And last year, we also conducted our summer camps. Some of our youth squad members, Early Childhood Development Forum also has a youth squad, and we have a youth squad group in Delhi, and they are the students of Dr. Ambedkar University, and they conducted a wonderful 22-day summer camp with the street children. And these children, they had so much of fun doing it. And I thank everybody who is a part of it. I thank all our well-wishers. I was thinking of sharing this because the Bali tour is happening in the month of June. We are all reaching Bali on the 15th. So anybody who would be interested to join us can let us know. I'll be giving the numbers. The numbers are here. You can dial them and you can reach us and book your seat to get the most fabulous experience of a green school, the sustainable way of living. That is what we need, and that so much aligns with the peaceful human peace pedagogy. Again, the SDG goal 16. So when we are talking about all these, the peace institutions and getting our young leaders understand these values, the educators play a major role. We are basically the trailblazers. We are the role models for our children. What we do with the classroom, how we behave, everything matters. And so I feel that particularly this Bali tour to the Green School, is going to really open our minds to another dimension. It is going to make us understand the value of this earth, how we can live sustainably, how we can do our business even sustainably. And growth and sustainability can go together. It is not that if a country is growing and infrastructure means that we cut out all our trees or anything. We can have a lot of different solutions. And these kind of experiences enable us to understand, to think, to brainstorm, and come to such solutions where we can preserve nature and at the same time progress and make the needed development. So I welcome you all to the Bali Education Tour, and please reach me at the numbers given, and the links are also given in the description. You can find some other details over there, and you feel free to reach me. Thank you so much for joining me in this episode of the Mockingbird Show, and until next weekend, bye. Stay happy, stay blessed.